tanker truck. A range of liquids and gases can be carried in a tanker truck. Front end loader. Front end loaders, also called wheel loaders or bucket loaders. Picker truck. A tow truck is a truck used to move disabled. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a truck specially designed to collect municipal solid waste. Dump truck. A dump truck, for short, is used for transporting materials for construction. Police car. A police car is a ground vehicle used by police and law. Container truck. A container truck is specially designed to transport shipping containers. Train. A train is a series of connected vehicles that runs along a railway track and transport people.